What if the biggest food secret wasn't trees, but tiny plants growing just inches off the ground? While fruit trees take years to mature, these small plants start producing in weeks and keep giving again and again. In fact, some of them can outproduce fruit trees when it comes to harvest frequency, space efficiency, and total seasonal yield. Welcome to Off-Grid Roots, where we uncover smarter ways to grow more food in less space. And today, you'll discover 20 powerful plants that can transform even the smallest space into a food-producing machine. Subscribe now, because the future of food is smaller than you think. 1. Strawberries. At first glance, it's just a small plant, barely rising above the soil. But don't let its size fool you, because strawberries are one of the most efficient food-producing plants you can grow. Unlike massive fruit trees that demand years of patience, space, and care, strawberries begin rewarding you in just a matter of weeks. And here's where it gets powerful. A single strawberry plant doesn't just produce once. It produces again and again and again. Through runners, it multiplies itself, quietly expanding across your garden, turning one plant into many. This means your harvest doesn't just grow, it compounds. In a small space where one fruit tree stands alone, you could have dozens of strawberry plants producing fruit continuously. And the result? More harvests, more frequency, more food per square foot. But it's not just about quantity. Strawberries are fast. 2. Raspberries, the fast-spreading food machine. It starts with a single cane, thin, flexible, almost fragile. But beneath the surface, raspberries are unstoppable. Unlike fruit trees that grow slowly and stay fixed in one place, raspberries spread, silently, aggressively, efficiently. Through underground runners, they multiply, turning one plant into an entire patch. And once established, they don't just produce fruit, they flood your garden with it. Each cane can deliver dozens of berries in a single season. But here's what makes raspberries different. They don't make you wait. In just 1 to 2 seasons, you're already harvesting. Compare that to fruit trees that demand years before giving anything back. And the cycle doesn't stop there. Many raspberry varieties produce twice a year, a summer harvest and a fall harvest. That means more frequency, more consistency, more food, without expanding your space. And because they grow vertically, you can train them along fences, wires, or trellises, turning unused vertical space into a high-output food system. 3. Blackberries, the wild producers. They take over. What begins as a small, controlled plant quickly transforms into a dense, productive network of thorny vines. And while that might sound aggressive, for food production, it's exactly what you want, because blackberries are built for survival. They thrive in tough conditions, poor soil, neglect, even harsh weather. And yet, they still produce, heavily. Each vine stretches outward, capturing sunlight, expanding its reach, and loading itself with fruit. Dozens, sometimes hundreds, of berries from a single plant system. And like raspberries, they don't stay small for long. They spread, they climb, they multiply. 4. Blueberries, the long-term yield investment. Not all high-yield plants are fast and aggressive. Some are strategic. Blueberries are one of them. At first, they take their time, slow to establish, careful in growth, but once they settle in, they become one of the most reliable food-producing plants you can grow. Unlike fruit trees that demand large space and constant pruning, blueberries stay compact, small bushes with dense clusters of fruit. And year after year, they deliver. Not explosively, but consistently. Dozens of berries per branch, repeating across the entire plant. And because they live for years, your harvest compounds over time, season after season, without needing to replant. They fit perfectly into small gardens, containers. 5. Currants, the dense yield secret. At first, currants don't look impressive. No large fruits, no towering branches, no dramatic presence, just small clusters of tiny, shining berries. But this is where most people get it wrong, because currants don't rely on size, they rely on density. Every branch, every inch, is packed with fruit. Not one or two pieces, but dozens, hanging in tight, heavy clusters. And when the season hits, it's not a harvest, it's a surge. Unlike fruit trees that spread their energy across large structures, currants focus everything into compact production. The result? More berries per square foot than most traditional crops. And here's where it gets even better. They grow fast. Within a short time, you're already harvesting. No long waiting periods, no years of patience, just consistent, reliable output. And because they stay small and controlled, you can plant multiple currant bushes in the space of a single fruit tree. 6. Gooseberries, the survival producer nobody talks about. In a world where most plants demand perfect conditions, perfect soil, perfect care, gooseberries don't. They survive. And more importantly, they produce. At first glance, they don't look like much. A small bush, low to the ground, covered in thorns. Not flashy, not trendy. But that's exactly why they matter. Because when conditions get tough, limited water, poor soil, unpredictable weather, gooseberries keep going. While delicate plants struggle and fruit trees slow down, gooseberries adapt. They push through. And when harvest season arrives, they deliver. Clusters of firm, nutrient-rich berries, packed tightly across a compact plant. Not spread out, not wasted, just dense, efficient production. And here's what makes them powerful. They don't need much space. In the footprint of a single fruit tree, you can grow multiple gooseberry bushes, each one producing, each one contributing. 7. Honeyberries, Haskap, the plant that harvests before the season begins. Every plant follows a season. They wait for warmth, for sunlight, for the perfect moment to grow. But honeyberries, they don't wait. They start early. While most plants are still waking up from winter, while fruit trees are just beginning to form buds, honeyberries are already producing. Quietly, efficiently, ahead of everything else. This is what makes them different. They don't compete in the season, they beat it. Small, elongated berries begin to appear, often weeks before strawberries, before blueberries, before almost anything else in your garden. And that early start, it gives you an advantage most growers never think about. Food, when nothing else is ready. In a system where timing is everything, honeyberries fill the gap. That empty window between waiting and harvesting. And they do it without needing much space. Compact shrubs, tight growth, high productivity. 8. Lingonberries, the quiet, evergreen producer. Not every powerful plant grows fast. Some win by consistency. Lingonberries are one of them. Low to the ground, covered in small, glossy leaves, they don't demand attention. They don't spread aggressively or grow wildly like other berries. Instead, they stay controlled, compact, evergreen. And that's where their strength lies. Because while other plants come and go with the seasons, lingonberries remain. Green, even in colder months. Alive when others fade. And when the time is right, they produce. Small, bright red berries forming across a dense, ground-hugging carpet. Not in scattered amounts, but in steady, reliable waves. Season after season. This is not explosive growth. This is controlled output. And in a small space, that matters. Because instead of relying on one large harvest, lingonberries give you something better. Consistency. A plant that stays with you year-round. 9. Aronia, chokeberry, the superfood powerhouse in a small bush. At first glance, Aronia doesn't stand out. No bright colors screaming for attention. No oversized fruits. Just small, dark berries, quietly forming on a modest shrub. But what's hidden inside is power. Aronia, also known as chokeberry, is one of the most nutrient-dense fruits you can grow. Loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and compounds that support overall health, it's not just food, it's fuel. And here's what makes it even more interesting. It produces heavily. Not one berry here, or a small cluster there, but dense bunches, spreading across nearly every branch. When harvest time arrives, the plant doesn't hold back. It delivers in volume. Dozens, even hundreds of berries from a single compact bush. And unlike fruit trees, Aronia doesn't need space to perform. It stays controlled, structured, manageable. 10. Sea buckthorn, the nutrient explosion that looks like fire on a tree. If nature had a way of signaling pure nutrition, sea buckthorn would be it. Because this plant doesn't just grow berries, it glows with them. Bright orange clusters, packed tightly along every branch, so dense that the plant almost disappears beneath its own harvest. And unlike most crops that give you subtle yields, sea buckthorn is extreme. One plant can produce massive quantities of berries in a single season. Not scattered, not occasional, but full coverage, branches completely loaded with fruit. And what makes it even more powerful is what's inside those berries. Because sea buckthorn isn't just food, it's a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamin C, healthy oils, antioxidants, and rare bioactive compounds that support overall wellness. This is why it's often called a superfruit. But in reality, it's more than that. It's a survival crop. 11. Pole beans. Imagine a plant that climbs toward the sky, not just growing, but reaching for life itself. Pole beans are one of nature's most efficient and productive climbing vegetables. Unlike bush beans that stay low to the ground, pole beans use vertical space, transforming simple garden beds into green walls of abundance. From a single seed, these plants can grow over 10 feet tall, wrapping themselves around poles, trellises, or fences. They don't just grow, they ascend. What makes pole beans truly special is their continuous harvest. Once they start producing, they don't stop. With proper care, one plant can give you fresh beans for weeks, sometimes even months. That means more food from less space. They are rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a powerful addition to any home garden or self-sustaining food system. And here's the beauty of it. Pole beans don't demand luxury. A small patch of soil, sunlight, and a simple support structure is enough. In return, they reward you with a steady supply of fresh green pods. 12. Peas. Hidden inside a simple green pod lies one of nature's most efficient sources of nutrition: peas. Small in size but powerful in impact, peas are among the oldest cultivated crops in human history, feeding civilizations for thousands of years. Yet even today, they remain one of the most productive and sustainable plants you can grow. Peas are cool weather climbers. They don't demand much space, but they know exactly how to use what they are given. With delicate tendrils, they rise upward, wrapping themselves around supports, turning a small patch of soil into a vertical source of abundance. What makes peas remarkable is their dual power. They enrich the soil while feeding you. Like natural nitrogen factories, they improve soil fertility, making the ground healthier for future crops. And nutritionally, they are a quiet powerhouse. Packed with plant protein, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, peas support energy, digestion, and long-term health in a natural, balanced way. In just a few weeks, a handful of seeds transforms into a living green system, producing fresh pods almost continuously when harvested properly. That means consistent food, from minimal input. From survival gardens to modern kitchens, peas represent simplicity and reliability. No complexity, no excess, just pure, steady growth. 13. Cherry tomatoes. Some plants don't just grow, they perform. Cherry tomatoes are one of nature's most vibrant and rewarding creations. Small, colorful orbs of flavor that carry the intensity of a full-sized tomato in a bite-sized form. From a single seed, this plant transforms into a living explosion of green vines and red jewels. It doesn't grow quietly. It spreads, climbs, and produces in abundance, turning any garden, balcony, or small space into a living harvest zone. What makes cherry tomatoes truly remarkable is their productivity. Once they start fruiting, they don't stop easily. With proper sunlight and care, a single plant can produce hundreds of fruits throughout a season. That means continuous harvest, from minimal space. They thrive in containers, small gardens, and even vertical setups, making them a favorite for urban gardeners and home growers who want maximum yield in limited areas. But beyond productivity, cherry tomatoes are packed with nutrition. Rich in vitamin C, antioxidants like lycopene, and natural hydration, they support heart health, skin vitality, and overall wellness. And there's something almost addictive about them. The sweet burst of flavor, followed by a slight tang, nature's perfect balance of taste and nutrition in one bite. 14. Cucumbers. In the quiet rhythm of a garden, few plants grow with as much energy and generosity as the cucumber. From a single seed, it awakens fast, spreading its vines with purpose, reaching outward in every direction. It doesn't stand still, it explores. It climbs, it trails, it expands, turning empty soil into a living green network. Cucumbers are one of nature's fastest producers. In just a few weeks, flowers begin to appear, followed by long, smooth fruits forming almost overnight. It feels less like farming and more like watching time accelerate in green form. What makes cucumbers special is their efficiency. They don't demand much, just sunlight, water, and a simple structure to climb. In return, they give back continuously, producing fruit after fruit throughout the growing season. And they are not just abundant, they are refreshing by design. Composed mostly of water, cucumbers naturally hydrate the body. They cool, cleanse, and restore balance, especially in hot climates where freshness becomes essential. Nutritionally, they bring quiet strength, supporting digestion, skin health, and detoxification. Simple in taste, but powerful in function. 15. Malabar spinach. In the world of leafy greens, there is one plant that doesn't just grow, it climbs like a living wave of green. This is Malabar spinach, a powerful heat-loving vine that thrives where most greens struggle to survive. Unlike traditional spinach, it refuses to fade in hot weather. Instead, it flourishes under the sun, stretching its thick, glossy vines upward, wrapping around trellises, fences, and any structure it can find. It doesn't spread weakly across the ground, it rises with confidence. Its leaves are deep green, thick, and almost succulent in texture, a natural storage of moisture and vitality. In every leaf lies a rich source of vitamins A and C, iron, calcium, and antioxidants that support strength, immunity, and overall wellness. What makes Malabar spinach truly remarkable is its resilience. In scorching summers when other greens disappear, this plant continues to grow, continuously producing fresh, edible leaves for months. And it doesn't just feed the body, it builds systems. A single vine can turn a small space into a dense green wall, offering shade, food, and beauty all at once. It is productivity and sustainability wrapped in one plant.